scratch the back seat. He tries to dig out a hole. I don't know what he does. If I can grab it. And it's really good. It's a little frumpy. Hello, and thanks for slipping some time with me today. We have a dog, and the dog, when he gets excited, sometimes will try to scratch the back seat when he's in it. He tries to dig out a hole. I don't know what he does. They call it making a nest or bed or something. I don't know, whatever. I bought some custom seat covers for the Ford Ranger. I haven't even looked at this. I did unpack the box a little bit. I haven't actually looked at it. These are actually from Sheer Comfort seat covers. They came highly recommended from the web searches. So we'll see together how well they are, and hopefully they custom fit the back of the seat and protect it. They also should look pretty nice. You know, it's a newer truck, and we don't want to take away from the effect, but we do want something functional. I actually, just to let you know, I did look at the Ford accessory page of what they provided for seat covers in the back just for this very purpose. And honestly, it looked awful. It looked like just be putting a big blanket on and hanging it and drooping it. I wanted something that formed a little better and looked nicer, and I came up with this. So I'm excited to put these on, and I'll show you how well they fit, or how well they don't fit. I guess we're going to find out together. So let's get on with it. Comes in a kind of a zipper line bag. And I look here. And again, these are from Sheer Comfort seat covers, car truck van. You pick your vehicle, you give them some details, and they custom make them. So looking forward to how they all work out. And I got the one that fits over for the console. Oh, it looks like it's a one-piece unit. Let's have a look here. I didn't get any color inset. I just got black because that's the way my seats look, which I'll show you later. Let's just put them on and see how they go. So I got the instructions here. It says for trucks, step 1. I'll read these if I need to. Now, is there a front and back on these? Let me look if there's a front and back on these. They look pretty generic. Oh yeah, there is, because there's a seam here. So you want the seam towards the back. There. That's pretty much that. Okay, we'll put the others on. What's really cool is, even for this little headrest, they made sure they got one. So let's put that on. So far, they fit really nice. So here's the seam. Obviously, you want that at the back. What I've got now, I think, looks like it's for the fold down. It actually retains the cup holders, and that's pretty cool. They even made a little hole here for the pull down. So it looks like you tuck this over. You gotta bring it through, I think. Let's see, maybe like this. Okay, pull it down. If I can grab it. Got it. Still got to put this strip over, so let's do this. Get that over. Actually works pretty good, I think. Okay, that fits. We're good there. I think I got this figured out. I think you pull up your seat. First, they really did custom fit this for the Ford, I can tell. You can see there's holes for all the rest on it, the legs or catches or whatever there is. That locks in. You do need to do the head rest off. Also, even for to put the seat forward, a little release latch, again, they made a little hole for that. So again, really good custom made seat covers. So we're gonna take these off. One. That's two. And that's the third. Put these on. Also, we can kind of show you here, these holes, I can already tell the way they stretch, are gonna fit around underneath. That's pretty nice. Not gonna sit on top, they're gonna fit underneath, which is really good for the release and adjustment here. But I've seen some where they actually aren't able to flex that way as well. So there they are. They look pretty nice. Of course, they don't match perfectly to the front now, but they're pretty darn close. The color is close. Looks really nice to protect the seats here a bit. You can see how everything fits. Headrest, everything. Console, fits up. I can say this is this kind of moves a little bit. I could have made that a little tighter perhaps. But fit and finish is pretty nice. There we go. You can see how it wrinkles up there. You can kind of tuck that in. Let's see here. Yeah. Okay, some points off for that for sure. All right, that's the way it fits. I'll take you from the back, from the front seat, what it looks like here. Yeah. You can tell this needs a little fixer up here to be perfect. You can definitely tell it's a seat cover, but honestly, on the camera it looks worse than it is, but you can tell still it's a little frumpy. I'm gonna call it frumpy. Overall, my dog will love it, which means we'll love it. It protects it well. He can scratch the seat, whatever he wants to do. I think they're easier to clean too, so I'm pretty happy with the way they turned out. There you have the seat covers on the Ford Ranger. Actually, I do recommend this company. I heard good things on them on the reviews already on the internet, so I'm going to review it as well. Just like the pictures on the internet that they show, they are definitely custom made and they fit wonderfully. They aren't loose. They aren't moving at all. Fabric is nice. Fit and finish is nice. Everything they thought of is great. The only thing I could really, if I have to point out something negative that happened a little bit, is it's a little frumpy on this armrest kind of cup holder thing. It does work, but it just needs to be a little tighter around here. The headrests fit wonderfully, pretty good. They're all functional. Seat belts function right. Everything's good. I didn't get them for the front, so I can't rate those, but I'm sure they fit just as well. And what I'm going to rate these are, and it's going to be another high mark. Now, I did do a lot of research to try and find the best anyway, but I'm going to give them a 9. Again, they can't get a 10 out of 10 because of the fluffiness of the armrest here, but everything else, they fit perfectly. Of course, they're new. We'll see how they stand up. If they don't do that well, I will certainly tell you that. But again, those reviews have been good. And I have a feeling they stand up by their products. They're a pretty large company in North America. And I do recommend them. Oh, what I'll do too is I'll tell you what I actually ordered. Hang on. We'll get that to you in just a minute. So just before I show you, more on the company and what I actually ordered, I thought I better tell you this was unsolicited completely. I went on my own, decided this is a company I wanted to go with, and gave them a shot. I just like to show you what I do and what I'm putting in, and give a little review, I guess my opinion on them as well. So it's called, if you're interested anyway, it's Sheer Comfort again. They aren't paying me anything for this. I just thought I'd tell you just in case you like them. They're Sheer Comfort seat covers. They're a North American company. I believe they have free shipping as well. They certainly did for me, and I think it's on their website. I got a rear cover for the 2021 Ranger, but they have tons of choices, by the way, on what you might want to get for fabric, etc. Have a look. So I got a Neo Supreme Solid Black, it's called, Ford Ranger 2021 premium set solid bench with pull-out arm and 3 adjustable headrests, crew cab, rear seat, basically. Have a look if you're interested. There's other seat cover companies out there, so feel free to look around. I just went with these because my research, I guess, and we all do that, don't we? Now, you do pay a little bit for them, but I think all good seat covers are probably in the same, basically the same price point that these guys are. As far as delivery, they were awesome. They told me everything's going on. They make them to order, so that means until your order's in, they don't make them until that point in time. And they got them out pretty quick to me. I think in a couple weeks I had them at my door, which was fine for me. And they were upfront about how long it would take on their website and delivery, and they kept telling you what was going on, tracking everything. So that was great too. So yeah, really impressed with these. So thanks again for joining me on an episode of Slipping Time with the accessories of the Ranger. And now these accessories that I put on today apply to any vehicle, to be honest. It's really about how to preserve things, especially when they're brand new and you're planning on keeping things for a while. And that's what this is. That's why I'm putting these accessories on and why I'm sharing with you what you can do and also not take away from the look doing so as well. So I hope you enjoyed that. There's more than just doing car truck accessories that I have out there. Hopefully you're interested in them too. And if you do, please like, share, subscribe, hit the bell, whatever the format is these days on YouTube. Give it a whirl. Then again, thanks for joining me and all the support so far. Please enjoy every day and always make it right.